So turn the unit on. The issue I'm finding here is I'm supposed to get 24 volts here. I'm only getting 0.3, and so I've got the power connector out of the control board here. I've got voltmeter, black to blue, red to red. I know that the power comes in right here and grounds right here. I know that this is a 24 volt because it says it down here. Also has a label on the side. So yesterday when I flipped on the switch, the control display up here flickered and I heard a pop. Shut it off, try to restart it, it wouldn't boot up. I saw that there's a fuse in there, but that fuse looks fine. And so I got my voltmeter out because I saw that, hey, that's 24 volts. I should be getting 24 volts there, and I wasn't. So then I took the connector out, and this is what I found. I'm only getting 6.5 volts. So I think something happened with the power supply. It malfunctioned, sent an inrush of current voltage into here, killed it, because when I plug this in, I get nothing here, which I don't read any voltage, so that tells me there's a short in here. And like I showed you, when I plug this in, this connector here, plugged into the control board here, the display doesn't cut on, it doesn't boot up at all, it's dead. The laser portion's fine, but something's up with the power supply. But I'm thinking too is that this got short circuited as well when this failed, because this does not put out 12 volts. Because I know here, because I'm reading here, is what I'm reading right there. And if you like, power supply is the issue. 6.5 volts. Right, so you've got your incoming, your ground, or excuse me, your earth, power, ground, 5 volt. So I'm gonna move the ground over 1 to the left. That reads 23.9, as you can see. Now I'm gonna move the power 1. And that is there. And then let me move the ground over 1 more. Sorry if I'm mixing up my terminology. So that's there. So again, I think something happened with the power supply, inrush of power over here, because this guy is shorted out even over here. So if that's shorted out, because I'm getting 0 in here, right? So that means it's grounded itself out in there. But yeah, any help would be appreciated.